Hello everybody. Again I received something from AKK Technology. It's called Nano3. I had the Nano2 previously and now looks like a similar small VTX manual. Here it is, and adapter cable. So this is Nano3. It is as you can see, nano video transmitter with OSD sports Betaflight, so you can change band, power and channel via OSD, Betaflight OSD. Tiny little thing, just like Nano2, powered by 1S battery. Let's see its weight. Okay, it's 2.8 grams. With adapter cable it's 3.27 grams. So for all your mini projects like micro quads and micro planes, this is ideal with the VTX. And I'm going to hook it up now. Just let's see what's in the manual. It's 5-band 8-channel VTX with a power output of 25 and 200 milliwatts, and of course pit stop mode as usual with AKK. You will notice that some of the frequencies are shaded. That's because some new FCC rules, regulations, so these frequencies are no longer available on E-band. Okay, powering it up is just with 1S LiPo, and great. Now you have some LEDs, different colored, and I'll show you what does this mean. This is a simple setup via one button. So when you press the button, you see blue LEDs flash. You're changing the channels now. So for each channel except the first, this blue LED just blinks. So when it's powered on, it means it's on channel 1. Now it's on channel 2. I will leave it so you can see the green LED. By long pressing the button, you can see now the red flashes. Now you change the bands A, B, E, F and R. I will leave it on R2 since I use it on my Googles. And this green button shows the power output. So when it's on, it's 25 milliwatts. When it's off, it's 200 milliwatts. I will leave it on 25 milliwatts because this little thing heats up a lot. Oops, I'm changing the channels now. And you need to long press the button until the green flashes, then you can change the power. So when the green light is on, it's 25 milliwatts of power. Again, when it's off, it's 200, and this becomes really hot. So be sure to provide enough cooling for this little VTX, because it almost burnt my fingers now. Okay, that's it. As usual with AKK, very simple to use. This antenna is detachable, of course. It was connected in the box or in the bag. On this model, on the Nano 2, it was detached. I will not change it or detach it, no need for that. And those wires, if you don't have a FC controller, I'll show you what this means. So red is plus 5 volt output for the camera, black is ground, of course, yellow is video signal from camera to VTX, and that green is for smart audio setup via Betaflight. That's it. See you next time. Thanks for watching.